guys, today I'm playing Jailbreak again with my friend Jacob. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to bust him out of prison right now because he just got arrested for what'd you do?
I did nothing and I got arrested.
No, you robbed we tried to rob a bank, but you got caught.
Knows robbing a bank is no reason to be arrested.
Exactly.
It's just not fair. Why would you arrest someone for robbing a bank?
No, guys, we're joking. This is a game. We're joking. Do not go rob a bank. We are joking. I know some of my viewers, Jacob, get in the car, take things way too seriously. No, Jacob, wrong car. Jacob, wrong car. Jacob, wrong car.
I don't care.
Some of my viewers take things way too seriously.
You can rob the bank first.
Hey, there's a cop there. I'm gonna get a key card. Or no, it's a crim. Jacob, you just like blow up yourself and then blow yourself up. Okay.
No, I didn't. I'm right behind you.
Equipped. Okay, I'm ready. This is my main loadout. An AK, a shotgun, and a pistol. I'll spawn my good car. Hold on. We gotta drive to my new car because it's a Tesla and it's Jacob. Get in the car.
Where are you?
Turn, and we gotta get donuts too.
Oh yeah, but I don't think it's open right now.
No, but you can still always get donuts.
I can't see anything.
Donut?
Looking out.
Is it?
You get the donuts? Alright.
Okay, I'm spawning my car. Spawning my car. I do not see it for some. There it is. Model 3. Burp, burp. Burp, 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 burp. I'm not honking the horn. Hold on. Get in. I don't have game sounds. You went in the wrong way. Why are you spawning your SWAT van? Okay, we don't have key cards, so let's go rob the museum. Or no, let's just go wait until the bank opens, because it's 2:50.
Let's sneak back into the jail.
No, bad idea. They know that we're criminals, because we have the criminal name tags.
Oh, dude, I have to,
Nope. What? Oh, that's a police chopper, police DeLorean flying through the air. Oh, he's on our 6! He's on our 6! He is on our 6! I'm shooting. He's almost dead. I killed him. Grab a key card. Darn it, he only dropped his pistol, but there's a cop chopper in the air. God. Dude, get back! It's landing. 6, 12, 34, he's dead. He's almost dead. Get the one. Oh no, the dog's chasing me. His dog is chasing me. I got the key. Where's the dog? The dog died. And we have a chopper.
no. Come on, can I get in the chopper? Where are you?
I'm hijacking it already. It's fine. I got a key card, a donut, a pistol, or a revolver, get in. Okay, so it's almost time for the bank to open. Oh, it's open already. We have a $500 bounty, and we're about to get a $4,500 bounty. Ooh, rob that, John. Hey, rob that, John. Hey. Oh, there's cops inside. Careful. Okay, I'm shooting him. I'm shooting. You gotta help. I'm gonna arrest him. Bring me out. Dude, bring me out. Yes, give me the pistol. I lost the key card though.
Oh.
It's fine. That's completely fine. Oh crap, another one is here. He's here again. He's back for revenge. I don't have a good gun. This is very bad. There's another cop. I got arrested. Oh, dude, don't mess with that guy in the flying DeLorean thing. He's a real good player.
Dude, I'm dead. Oh, dude.
Oh, new green video. I'm gonna watch that after. Okay, come on, go, dude. Come on.
Oh, sorry.
I'm pushing you out of yourself.
Sorry, I'm doing two things at the same time.
What? What are you doing on your other thing? No.
The shadow leader.
Come on, you gotta focus. That's why we died last time.
That's not true.
That is very true. Come on, let me get your key card. It's just a thing. I don't really know what your name is.
Let's go. Okay. This guy gets me.
I almost have his key card. I almost have his key card.
Yeah, his key card.
Oh, this kid's got a key card. This kid let me.
I'm stuck in the vents.
We're stuck in the vents.
Oh, wait, let's climb up. Oh, no,
I got out.
And he is up in the vents.
Rob that job. Okay, rob that job. Okay. Oh, there's a cop here. I'm getting his key card. Key card acquired. I got a freaking donut, man. I robbed this guy's key card and I got a donut. Or I pickpocketed him and I got a donut. I got a donut. Donut. You want a donut? Man, I got a donut. No, I ate a donut. I don't know why I just did that. Dude, why are you arresting me? What the? There's a dirty cop. There's a dirty cop that just arrested me for being a jerk. I did absolutely
I got the key card and then I got arrested.
darn it. I think we can probably record 2 videos today if I can squeeze it in fast. Okay, Rob. Okay, Rob. Okay. Oh, dude, this guy just got a $100 or $1,000 bounty, which is pretty heck on like that, fam. Oh, these guys are stuck in the vent.
Oh no.
Oh no, my friend. Oh no, my friend.
My good dude, what happened? Well, like, I was being, I saw that, like, there was, like, a house.
Oh, no. We can get out. We can get out.
Threw away my, like,
Dude, we can get out. Just go to the fence. We can get out.
$30,000 by a house that, like, wasn't even for sale.
Dude, we can get out. Just come to the courtyard, okay? I'm in the black car. Just come to the courtyard.
Yep, I'm here.
Now watch.
And
Run! Get to the car. Get to the car. Somebody's in it. I think no. Just get to the car.
I thought he was
Get in.
AFK.
No, he got me. No, dude, these guys are camping us. And of course, the girl gets away.
The girl, yeah.
Ugh.
I'm sorry.
Wait, no, we can take a screen because this will show up in my photos. Hold on, come here. This will show up in my photos. Stop moving. Stop moving. We just gotta stand together. Perfect.
Run away.
Bro, he's stuck in the vent still.
Wait, what did I just do? No, dude.
This dude about to get me out of prison.
Bowder. He's a Bowder. A Bowder game. Hey, I'm a Bowder. What's your name? Oh, dude. Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter.
Oh, it's a Grim Chopper, too. They were just coming to break one of their friends out.
I'd be a police officer. I could potentially go fuck it.
Are you serious? He arrested me again.
Just cold.
Oh, you stupid. Hold on, leave the game. We gotta get into a different lobby. These guys are absolute trolls. Okay. Okay, leave the game. I'm joining a new lobby. Rob that jump. Okay, rob that jump. Okay. Okay, join me. Or no, it's the same people, I think, but it's fine.
Same people.
But it's fine.
Oh, if I could do that,
Oh, there's a bot cop here. There's a bot cop here. Yeah, there's a bot cop.
I almost got the game to glitch into spawning a car in my prison cell. And then, I was supposed to do that. And
This guy's just trolling me. Hi, idiot.
jerk.
I got a key card.
What's his name?
SS Golden Noob or something.
So everybody on this channel, SS Goldie Noob, never play with him. He's a jerk.
No, the bot is SS Golden Noob. I'm gonna go get a chopper and break you out, okay? I'm jacking it. Tip, guys, if you're ever hijacking the helicopter up here, the windshields are, look like you're not in it, because right now I'm in the windshield. Noah! Okay, Jacob, I'm coming. Jacob, I'm in. Jacob, meet me in the courtyard. Jacob, where are you? Courtyard. Okay, I'm dropping down the rope.
No, I
I just watched you get arrested. Okay, I gotta go. I'm in a high speed helicopter chase.
Okay.
Where are you? I'm getting lower and lower and higher. Where are you though? No!
That's not the answer you want.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, no, I'm stuck.
You're stupid.
Where are you? I have my chain ball ready.
I'm doing two things at once.
Just turn off Rise of Kingdoms.
But I don't want it though. Is that like weird?
No, dude, just come here.
All I'm gonna do is once in a while check in and see how much my CBS is doing. That's it. Okay?
Just come here. Bro, I'm gonna get shot out of the air. I have a key card.
I'm coming. Alright, where are you?
Hold on. Okay, I'm lowering down right by the courtyard. Okay, I'm lowering. Dude, turn around. Get in. Before the cops notice.
I'm here. Get me up.
I'm pulling up the rope now.
Let's go.
And I got a key card too.
Nice. I don't even have a gun and stuff. That would be nice.
Hey guys, I'm gonna torture people. Leaving it right there for now. Like for part 2. Bye. Like, subscribe. Peace out.